Welcome back to ZenZen Jamaican Vibes. Today we're celebrating my daughter's 9th birthday. Yes, it's Azzaniah's 9th birthday. And as you can see, we have some beautiful decor here. And it was done by Snova Bramwell of Novel Decor. How long you've been doing it, Snova?
Probably about 3 years now.
3 years, right? And what are some of the services you offer?
I do funeral wreaths, Christmas wreaths, birthdays, weddings, parties, etc.
Alright. So if you want her to do any of those events, you can contact her. I will definitely leave her information on this video and in the comment section. Alright, thanks. Alright, so we can begin the party now. We're going to start by singing the happy birthday song to Azzaniah. Alright? So everybody join in. After 3, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Azzaniah. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. Are you 1?
Are you 1?
No.
Are you 2?
No.
Are you 3?
No.
Are you 4?
No.
Are you 5?
No.
Are you 6?
No.
Are you 7?
No.
Are you 8?
No.
Are you 9?
Yes.
Alright, so now we're going to do the blessing of the cake. Joshua and Biggs will do the blessing of the cake. He's also my daughter's classmate. Yes. Shh, quiet.
Azzaniah's birthday today, but please let her have a happy birthday, and please let her birthday be long, please God, and let her have many more birthdays, please God, in Jesus' name, amen.
Amen. Yes. All right. Hold on. Who else?
Happy birthday, Azzaniah.
Thank you.
Who else want to say something? Go ahead.
Happy birthday, Azzaniah.
Yes. And this is the daughter of the mother of 3. This is our cousin Kedelia. All right. Who else?
Thank you.
All right.
Happy birthday.
Can I say something? Anything. Wait, make she say it first. All right. This is my mother, her grandmother. Yeah.
Happy 9th birthday, Azzaniah, my granddaughter, and I wish for you a long life. And I pray and trust that God will take you through, come through.
Thank you.
All right. All right. Patrice, my neighbor. Auntie Patrice. Yeah.
Happy birthday, ZenZen. I'm gonna sing a little piece. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Really enter America's Got Talent.
Wow!
Say-
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, ZenZen. I wish wish you a million birthday. Happy birthday.
Alright. Come now, slow. Alright. So this is Azzaniah's 9th birthday. And this year has been a hectic year. I haven't been around much and I haven't got a lot of time with her like usual. So this is my little way of saying sorry, you know, for not being there for her all year long because I was busy helping everybody else and taking care of everybody else. So this is my way of apologizing for not being there for you all year long. Alright, Azzaniah? I'm sorry I haven't been the mom that you used to because everything is me and you. You used to me and you, right?
Yeah.
All day, every day. So I'm sorry I haven't been around like usual and I hope you will enjoy the day that I planned out for you. I'll buy you a lot of gifts and I hope it will make up. Alright, so happy birthday and enjoy. I love you, okay? Alright, now you have to blow out your candle and make a wish. And I hope that your wish will come true. Yay! So now we're going to do the cutting of the cake. Azzaniah, who's going to cut the cake with you? Kedelia, go and cut it. Yeah.
No, I can go.
Oh man.
No, you come on.
Go, my God.
You don't have any marks, not true, Joshua? It's alright, go on. Go closer. Alright, so now for the cutting of the cake. Are you ready for the cake to be cut? Are you ready to taste the cake?
Yours to Cordelia. On 3, you're going to cut this way, that way. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yay! Yay! Happy birthday, ZenZen! Alright, so Azzaniah is going to taste her cake. Here. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're gonna blind me. Alright. Who want to play? Alright, hula hoop first. Auntie Slova said hula hoop first. So who wanna try it first? You're gonna learn today. Zen, you want to learn how to do hula hoop?
Yes, mommy.
Put down your bag and come. You know how to do hula hoop? Give her the small one, make sure do it. You want to do? Alright, come give me a hug. What a pretty girl, Maya. You're not. Go beside, go hug up ZenZen, Maya.
Please give me a small one.
Try it, man. Try it.
I don't know how to
Try.
Okay, I need this. Oh my God, I'm going to die. I don't want this one. Can I get this?
Huh?
You can do it? Smaller one. Want to try?
Try. Put it around your waist and come so.
Oh my God, this is
Where's small one then?
What the smallest one then? What the other pink one? Oh, she have it.
Can I try?
No.
Ah, okay. All right. Do it again. Do it again. Let them see how it goes. Come over up there so that them can see you do it.
And you first get a try.
Wow. But Jada, do good man. Get the big
I
balloon.
never.
So you have to back up a little.
Yeah, give me line, make a line.
I mean,
I'm gonna pick already. No, you pick already. What you do with your balloon? Here, are you sure? Oh, you have it. Go on. Go on.
You're gonna make one from here.
Wait. Come, baby. Choose.
Big.
This one?
The small line of me see my last money for big balloon, you know, forget the biggest balloon.
97.
97.
I just like the number 7 so much.
What you do? You pick already?
Yeah.
Oh,
97.
baby balloon. Oh, God. Who is gonna pick now?
Jamali.
Pick Jamali.
This one you want? Alright.
Get the biggest balloon I
Well, let's see if you're that lucky. This is 62.
62.
I can help you first.
I want the big one, please.
Search for 62. Number 8.
Number 7.
Oh, another
Can I
one.
get number 7, please?
62.
Not number 7.
Can I get number 7?
It's number 7. The big one is number 7.
Yes, ma'am?
Okay.
Once you pick,
Yeah.
move. Once you pick, just give me some space.
You want this one?
You want this one?
Bigger.
What is your number? Turn it
around. 64.
64. 65. Oh, nice
You
one.
get a good one. But
Good is the one.
you want to try now?
Leandre turn.
Oh, Leandre.
Leandre. That one. This one. The purple.
Put on your mask and then we have to pick here.
Don't look at it. Don't look at it. You have to cut the number.
19.
19 needed.
Ah.
19.
Yeah. May I come? Birthday princess. How are you? How are you enjoying your day? Your mouth have a cake. Are you happy? You feel bigger? Older? So you're going to help me more? Okay, now help me now. Then, now for the opening of the gifts. Which one you're gonna open first? Who is this one for?
Latte art.
Okay. Latte Yard Art. She created this using recycled material.
Ooh. I like it. Wow.
It's something to hang on the wall. Turn it around. Wow, that's pretty, Zen. Say thank you to Latte.
Thank you to Latte Art.
Alright.
Which one should I open next? This one.
Okay. Who is that one from?
It's from you.
Okay.
That is so heavy.
What is it?
It's
a Jamaican doll.
Wow.
Black doll, just like you. Turn it around. Turn around.
I love it. Thank you.
You're welcome. One more.
I'm gonna
Which
open
one?
this one.
Okay. Who is that one from?
It's from Thailand and Tariana.
Okay. Be careful.
Wow.
What's that?
Wow. Makeup.
Huh?
Makeup.
Ah, that's cute. Oh.
Rain is falling again. Rain is falling. Oh,
Alright, open this one quick.
wow, what is this? Is that brush?
Come, it's Elena, Princess Elena of Avilor here.
Wow.
Turn it around, look.
It's pretty.
Yes. Where's it from?
You. And this, Daddy, but that one.
This are here from Princess Elena of Avilor. Stay here to look like the princess. Open it, ZenZen.
Oh my God! Whoa!
Who is that from?
This is from Daddy.
Okay, you like it?
I love it.
Say Nancy, thank you.
Thank you.
We have lights in.
Which one is blue?
What's that?
This is big. This is a big surprise. Whoa! It's soft.
Who is it from?
It's from, I don't even know who.
The name inside. It's from Beyond the Wall.
Thank you to Beyond the Walls Covenant Ministry.
Alright.
The small present. So much present to open. I don't think so. I don't think
So much present she opened.
I don't think it's
Her daddy, she said. What fire about that? Hold on, she has opened her legs.
Whoa, it says 9.
Alright.
That is pretty.
Yes. We love your Maya voice. Oh my God.
I love this one too.
Okay.
Nice.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes. That's the end of the opening of the presents.
I want to try the skateboards tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Not now.
No, I thought I was going to open it earlier so I could try it. Wow.
Oh, you like it? That the present?
Yes, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
All right.
Want to try your magic one?
Aye.
Mommy, bye-bye.
Sparkling juice. What then?
It's
You can open it.
non-alcoholic.
Drink?
Yes.
Open it now. Pull it out.
Wow!
Curry in there. Curry no left.
Can
Oh, I like that. Me
Turn on the left.
have
What
something
dear?
to put the soup down.
nice. Very, very nice. No, non-alcohol. This one tastes so acidic. And I like this.
Giving back to my Jamaican people. Thanks for joining my daughter's 9th birthday party. My daughter's 9th birthday decor was sponsored by Nova's Decor. If you wish to contact her for any of the service she mentioned before, you can WhatsApp or call her on the number on the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks for making it ZenZen Jamaican vibes. Until next time, walk good and look out for your neighbor. Happy holidays!